welcome back to my channel. So I made it, y'all. I made to the top 18 neck top nail artist season 9 this year. Yay! I'm so excited. Today is gonna be the challenge for top 18, trying to get into top 12. So let's get started. So the color for this challenge is Very Peri, which is the color is a mix between blue and purple. The idea for this set, I'm not really having any idea, but first of all, when I see the Very Peri colors, it reminds me of the flowers like violet and stuff, so I decided to do some flowers to make the decoration elegant. After making those flowers, I'm gonna make the sharp V to decorate, belong with the flowers. I'm using acrylic to make the color first. First of all, I'm gonna do the ombre with the nude and like the Very Peri colors to just give it a vibe, a little bit of the color, like mixing together. It looks like a violet feel, and we're gonna add, some flower on there. So after acrylic application, so I'm gonna shaping. I picked the pointy shape this time. It just make me feel like, it's like a weapon for a woman. If somebody wanna hurt her, what gonna happen next, right? Okay, I'm gonna doing the thumb first. I put a little bit of flour on there, and then add some rhinestone to make it bling a little bit, and make sure all the rhinestone underneath cover the flour, so it's not gonna, break that out. And I'm using a little bit tips right here to do on the pointy fingers. When I created the flower, acrylic to create the flower, so it feels soft and elegant. However, if I just do flower only, it feels like it's missing something. So I add a sharp V to balance the softly flower, and a sharp V, you see, is go to two different directions, which means life always change, and you just have to go with it. And it also represent to the girl power. That's all I want to show, that we see on this set with the colors. And I'm gonna add a little bit flower on the middle finger right there. And after that, we're gonna add a girl on the ring finger. So basically with this set, it's all about like the girl power, and it gives you a peaceful mind when you look at the colors. Also, I got the inspiration from the violet flower fields. I saw it online and it just in my mind for the color. And the color, the flowers, the vibe just feel like you know she is in the middle of the flower fields and watching the sky, you know, enjoying the morning, something like that. Okay, after I'm done with the girl, I'm add a little bit rhinestone on her hair. Just make her, you know, shiny and bling. And ta-da, we're done. So with this set, it just give me, you know, the loyalty of the color. The color is mean loyalty and, you know, like elegant. It's just all about the purple and blue color together. I hope you enjoy it, and bye.